Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I'm going to organize my utensil drawer. This is kind of chaotic. Everything's just kind of thrown in there. And where I did my junk drawer organization, I've got a couple of trays left. So I'm going to see if I can't organize this and make it look a little bit better than it does now. Maybe it'll be easier to find stuff too. I realized my camera was messed up while I was doing it. So I tried to divide each section into something different. So I have like tongues and stuff like that on this side. I've got some, a cake server and a cheese slicer and also a pie server on this side. And then I've got some cake tips, little plastic cake tips in that little container. I've got my corn on the cob pokers, whatever you call those. I've got spatulas. I use these a lot when I'm baking. My apple quarter and my cheese. I've got a little cheese grater. They don't fit in the basket, but it does. I might have to move that. Yeah, that's not going to work, because I got to be able to shut the drawer. Back here is can openers, a bottle, a wine bottle opener, and then I have these little, what do you call them, key things for your evaporated milk and stuff like that. So I have these, and then a couple other can openers, and then another bottle opener. It's a little bit easier to open with the handle. I've got ice cream scoops, a melon baller, an egg beater, and some for the mixer beaters. And then I've got my apple core down there, well, that slice your apples and kind of cores it or whatever. That's when I make my apple butter. So, I don't know, we'll try this. I don't know if this is going to work or not. We shall see. If it don't, then I'll throw it all back in there. But I had extra baskets left. I figured, well, we'll try to get this a little bit better. Like I said, each time I do this, it's like I'll try to use it for a couple of days. If I find out that it's not working, then, you know, I'll revamp it or whatever. So we'll see how this goes. Got one of these little Dollar Tree organizer cases over there where they have the crafts and stuff at Dollar Tree, and I decided to put my these little corn things in it. Also, I had some more metal cake tips. I'm not sure where they're at, but I figured once I find those, I can use these extra spaces for that. And then I've got some plastic cake tips and some coloring for my cake icing. And I figured that would be a little, I've got plenty of room in this bottom drawer down here that I can put it in. This is basically, you know, like barbecue stuff. So I figured I can use that there, and I can see from the outside of it what it is, and I don't have to worry about that stuff going anywhere. So another little use for these little Dollar Tree organizing cases. Y'all come back now. You hear?